Awning windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Crestview because of their ability to provide ventilation while keeping out rain. Hinged at the top and opening outward, they offer both functionality and a modern look. However, like any part of your home, awning windows require regular maintenance to ensure they continue operating smoothly and efficiently. With Crestview's mix of humidity, heat, and seasonal storms, proper care is essential for long-term performance. One of the most important maintenance steps is regular cleaning. Dirt, dust, and debris can build up on both the glass and the frame, especially in outdoor-facing areas. Cleaning the glass with a mild solution and a soft cloth keeps your windows clear and allows natural light to enter your home. It's also important to wipe down the frames to prevent buildup that could affect the window's operation over time. Keeping the window hardware in good condition is another key factor. Awning windows typically use a crank mechanism to open and close. Over time, this hardware can become stiff or worn if not properly maintained. Applying a light lubricant to the crank, hinges, and moving parts helps ensure smooth operation. This simple step prevents sticking and reduces strain on the components, extending the life of the window. Inspecting the seals and weather stripping is essential, especially in Crestview's humid climate. The seals around the window help keep out moisture and maintain energy efficiency. If you notice cracks, gaps, or signs of wear, replacing the weather stripping can prevent air and water from entering your home. Well-maintained seals also help keep indoor temperatures stable and reduce energy costs. Another important tip is to check the window's alignment. Awning windows should open and close evenly without resistance. If you notice that the window is difficult to operate or does not close properly, it may be misaligned. Addressing alignment issues early can prevent further damage to the frame or hardware. In some cases, tightening screws or adjusting hinges can resolve the problem, but more complex issues may require professional attention. Because awning windows open outward, they are exposed to the elements. After heavy rain or storms, it's a good idea to inspect them for any signs of water intrusion or damage. Look for moisture around the frame, as well as any debris that may have collected near the hinges or seals. Clearing away debris and drying any damp areas helps prevent long-term issues such as mold or material deterioration. Maintaining proper drainage around the window is also important. Water should flow away from the window rather than pooling near the frame. Keeping the surrounding area clean and free of leaves or dirt helps ensure that water drains properly. This reduces the risk of moisture damage and helps preserve the window's structure. Regularly checking the glass for cracks or damage is another part of good maintenance. Even small cracks can affect the window's performance and may lead to larger issues over time. If you notice any damage, addressing it quickly helps maintain both safety and efficiency. In addition to functional maintenance, keeping your awning windows looking their best adds to your home's overall appeal. Cleaning and occasional touch-ups to the frame can help maintain their appearance. Many modern awning windows are made from low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which resist fading and corrosion, making upkeep easier for homeowners. Professional inspections can also be beneficial. Having a professional check your windows periodically ensures that all components are working as they should. They can identify potential issues that may not be immediately visible and recommend solutions before they become costly problems. In the end, maintaining awning windows in Crestview doesn't require complicated steps, but consistency is key. Regular cleaning, lubrication, seal inspection, and prompt attention to minor issues help keep your windows operating smoothly. With proper care, awning windows can continue to provide reliable ventilation, protection from the elements, and long-lasting performance, making them a valuable feature in any home.